What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on CRO because this coin is about to complete setup that I've been waiting for a couple of months. So if you're interested about the exact trade that I am planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Plus I will be talking about the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit in the upcoming days, weeks or months. So if you're interested, as I said, definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a weekly time frame because here we are having the exact setup that I'm watching. If we will take a look to, let's say, a long-term chart, you can see that like these lows, this was basically an all-time low, and from the all-time high from like 2021 we are currently down around like 95% of the net market. So this coin is like in not a good conditions right now. The main thing that I was waiting here for was actually a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows, because a lot of people who were opening some long positions in these areas, they put their stop losses under the all-time low, because once we are gonna break it, there is pretty high probability that we will go on even lower levels. And the main thing that I was waiting for was that liquidity grab that already happened, then pull back up and then a support confirmation. So right now this setup can still be invalidated, but if right now the current candle will close in this range, so between levels 0.0505 and 0.0488, it can give us pretty good potential long opportunity. Stop loss, in this case, you simply want to place under the low that we created during the fake out, so stop loss will be around probably 7% of a net market. And because this will be for me a speculation that we saw a bottom of the whole correction, I will be placing the last take profit targets above this next important resistance area, so this bearish order block. So I will be speculating here for a move around like 520% of a net market, which is with a 8% stop loss, a potential risk reward ratio trade around like 62.3. And I know that this would sound crazy, and also for me it kinda is, because these setups are not usual, but in the end, the potential risk reward ratio will be, of course, much smaller. And in a moment, I will show you like that I want to take here like multiple take profit targets. So I will show you the exact areas and how exactly I'm actually planning to manage this whole position. But before I will do, I just want to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing setups that I'm watching every single day. So if you want to get access to this, link to join is in the description or in the comments. And also every morning I am sharing here important market moving events. So if you don't want to be watching the news on your own and you want to get access to the news that can actually affect your trading, then again, you can get access to this for completely free. Just join my Discord. Just keep in mind, there are a lot of scam accounts that are pretending to be me. So if you will ever receive a message from or a friend request from the account that looks like mine, keep in mind it's a scam. And if you, for example, want to work directly with me, I also have my private group where I am sharing, for example, every move I make on futures or a spot market. So if you are interested about that, again, more information in my Discord. So let's now get back to this, in my opinion, absolutely wonderful trading setup. Of course, the probability that we are gonna get that high is actually kinda small, and we need to see an alt season to see a move like this. So in my opinion, if something like this like will be happening, it will be probably next year. So let's now talk about how I am planning to manage this long position. So as I said, if there will be this liquidity grab with a support confirmation, I will be taking a long position. Stop loss I will be placing under this low, so stop loss will be, as I said, around 7% of a net market. Let's now talk about the exact risk management, which will be in this case 1%. So if the stop loss will be hit, I will lose 1% of my trading portfolio. So this is definitely a higher percentage that I am risking than normally, because usually I'm risking 0.5 and 0.75, sometimes even 1% like in this trading scenario. But also I am not anytime I'm not having more than 5 to 6% like risk in open positions. So this is a risk management. Also, on the way up, I am planning to take multiple take profit targets. At first profits, I will be taking somewhere around this area, so somewhere between 0.058 and 0.054, something like that. And after I will take like my first take profit target, I am moving my stop loss, but not to an entry, but to a point in which I'm risking the profit I made on TP1. So if on TP1 I will be taking like $500 worth of profit, I will just move my stop loss, and for that stop loss I will be risking 500 bucks. And then if of course the higher take profit targets will be hit, I am not moving my stop loss anymore, and I am keeping it to the exact same level. So because I'm a swing trader and I'm usually holding positions for at least a couple of days, sometimes weeks, in this case it probably is gonna be like even maybe months, something like that, I am only moving my stop loss after TP1. For this 500% move, I will be definitely like taking a lot of take profit targets, probably maybe 8, 9, something like that. So just keep this in mind. Next profits, I am planning to take under this previous important lows, because this was historically an important support. Then under this previous important highs, this previous important lows, again, here we are having this previous important highs. Then for example, under this previous important highs, this bearish order block, then I want to save some back to a last take profit target. So to summarize that, again, I'm waiting here for a liquidity grab, support confirmation. I'm moving stop loss after TP1. And again, if you want to work directly with me, as I said, I have my own private group where I'm sharing the exact trades that I'm taking, either on a futures or a spot market. You will get direct access to me. You will get access to my complete trading course and strategies that I'm using. You will get access to chat with me and other VIP members. So if you are interested, link to join is, as I said, in the description or in the comments. But if you don't want to use it and you just want to check out my analysis about the coins that I'm watching, or if you, for example, want to get access to the news, you can get access for that for completely free. Just join my Discord. So this was a main setup that I'm actually watching on this coin. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts. And let's now take a look to a daily time frame, because here we are having kinda same like thing. We just took liquidity under these previous important lows. If there will be a support confirmation, we can take here a similar trading setup. The problem is with the daily time frame, we can't be speculating for that high return, and the same goes even for like a 12-hour chart. So because we just went to an all-time low, and basically we are on lower levels than we were like many years ago, I don't think there are like other interesting opportunities that we can actually take. So I know that in every video I am, for example, talking about the potential trading setups on like a 4-hour, 12-hour daily time frame, but in my opinion, on all of these time frames, we can actually take the same trading setups, but the best risk-reward ratio and the best potential profit is simply on a weekly chart. Just keep in mind to manage your position carefully. About the price prediction, then as I said, if there will be that alt season, I think we can hit that $0.3 mark. And right now we can even see here a kinda huge bounce. And I actually wouldn't be surprised if in the upcoming weeks, we probably like, if we are gonna be, for example, under this previous important low, so if there will be a pump around like 40% of that market, but probably we are gonna have some issues with breaking this massive resistance, because you can see for a long time, this was either an important support or an important resistance. And let's say about that price prediction, of course this is price prediction for like this trading setup. I'm not expecting, for example, in the future we are, for example, gonna hit a $1 mark. This is, in my opinion, not that possible, but this coin is still kind of popular, and even though we are just hitting an all-time low, I'm definitely like planning, if these conditions will be met, I'm planning to like buy it as a trading position, but I am definitely not planning to buy to my like long-term spot portfolio, because I don't like this coin fundamentally, and I am only speculating here for this like high percentage move. But also keep in mind that like I don't mind if, for example, we are gonna hit like only this resistance, because for this resistance I will probably be taking like 3-4 take profit targets, something like that. And if after a retest we will go back down, I am still making money, because as I said, like from the TP2 I am making money to my pocket. So yeah, that's why I like, even if we are simply not gonna hit this these higher levels, I am still completely okay with it. I just want to see here that first that can bounce, and I think for this there is pretty high probability. And for this last take profit targets, I will probably keep like 7-5% open from the rest of the trade, so the profit will be honestly kinda minimal if we are gonna hit the last take profit target. Most of the profits I will be simply taking on the way up. So I guess this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.